Page 109, Wooden Heart. On page 108, they give you some ear training and rhythm stuff. You'll knock yourself out with that. I don't cover any of that, but if you have questions, you're welcome to ask. But on page 109, we get in a little bit on harmonizing and improvising. They talk about lead sheets and fake books. So the idea is they give you a melody, like they do here in Wooden Heart, here in the right hand. But they don't really give you all of the other part. But they give you the chords up above, the name of the chords, and the idea is you play the chord and improvise something with the left hand that goes with the melody, and you make it up. And some people enjoy this a lot. I'm not crazy about it, but a lot of people enjoy it quite a bit. For instance, in this piece at the beginning, Wooden Heart, it has a 2-beat pickup. Just skip that for now. The first full measure, the half note. Well, above the staves, there's a C. That stands for C chord. Well, if you look at the left hand, that's a C chord. The idea is when you see the chord name up above, you play that chord down below. So it's here. And the next measure, it's an F chord, so play an F chord. The next measure, you're supposed to fill it in. It's a C chord, so play a C chord. Next measure, they didn't give you anything, so another C chord. You stick with the same chord until they give you something else. It's like dynamics. You stick with it till you get something else. In the second line, it's still a C chord. Next measure, C chord. Now a G7 chord. Another G7 chord, and then a C chord. The idea is you're making up the harmony. You're not making it up, but you're filling it in, the notes, based on the chord names. Similar to what a guitar player would do. If a guitar player were going to play along with you, they would read these chord names and they would improvise on the chords on that, and that's really what it is. Now on the second one here is another, it's the same melody, but now we have a different pattern. Instead of block chords, we're going to play broken chords like that as half notes. So it's C chord, then an F chord, then a C chord, C chord, C, then a G7 chord, C chord. So then it's up to you what you want to do. You could play just, you got 4 beats in the measure. You can do anything, any rhythm, any what. It's entirely up to you how you want to play that. So I don't know that we need to go over this Wooden Heart thing on these two things. It's just you do it. Have fun with it if you're interested in this sort of thing.